To set up Rotary's R155 Wheel Balancer, you will need these tools. To unbox and set up the product, first, loosen the staples on the box. Then remove the box from the pallet. Unpack the pieces off of the pallet. Remove the bolts holding the balancer onto the pallet. When moving the balancer, make sure not to use the hub assembly for lifting. Slide the balancer off of the pallet. Now unbolt the monitor stand. Rotate the monitor stand into the upright position. Then secure the monitor stand to the balancer. Now remove the plastic attachment from the monitor. Plug VGA and power cords into the monitor. Using the provided hardware, mount the monitor to the stand. Attach the cord cover to the back of the stand using the supplied hardware. Next, remove the bolts, plate, and washer from the hood shaft. Now insert the hood frame onto the hood shaft. Make sure the spring lever operates properly. Now place the washer onto the hood shaft. Then secure the plate onto the hood shaft with the bolts. Tighten with wrench or socket. Next, remove the screws from the hood frame. Place the hood onto the frame. Then attach the hood with the screws. Now, unhook the spring on the rear of the balancer. Then mount the width gauge assembly to the balancer with the supplied hardware. Reattach the spring, then connect the width gauge wiring harness to the balancer. Next, thread the shaft onto the hub assembly. Press the positioning pedal, then use an adjustable wrench to tighten the threaded shaft. Finally, plug in the balancer and turn it on. Changing balancer from grams to ounces. First, press the right arrow button. Then, use the red button to select the wrench. Enter the password 1234 by pressing the red, yellow, gray, then blue button. Then press the yellow button. Now use the red button to move to the G icon. Then use the gray button to switch to ounces. Now go back to the home screen by pressing the back arrow 2 times. Now you will be able to change from grams to ounces by just pressing the gray button at the home screen. Bare shaft calibration. To do the bare shaft calibration, press the red button. Enter the password 123 by pressing the red, yellow, gray, then blue button. Now press the gray button for the screwdriver icon. Then press the red button for the bare shaft calibration. Next, press the green button to start. Then lower the hood. The shaft will spin for approximately 1 minute. Once the check mark shows on the screen, press the green button. If the green check mark doesn't display, call our customer service hotline. Calibrating the width gauge. To calibrate the width gauge, press the gray button 2 times. Then, take the width gauge and touch it to the end of the threaded shaft. Then, press the green button for the snowflake icon. Next, move the gauge to the front face of the hub. Then, press the green button for the snowflake icon. Once the check mark shows on the screen, press the green button. Now, go back to the home screen by pressing the back arrow 2 times. And your R155 Wheel Balancer is now ready to use.